Do 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 row, row, row your boat.
I say now row, row, row your boat.
Do 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 row. Let me stop. Let me go a little higher. Do 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 do. Hey guys, how are you? This is my friend Brianna.
Ooh! Tell them my name. Tell them my correct name. Tell them.
I always do that, guys. I don't know why. This is my
listen.
friend Brianna.
My name is Brianna Peters.
That's right. Brianna Abbey Crystal.
Oh, this is my real friend, Brianna Crystal Abbey Peters.
Well, I knew Abbey. What is
Hey.
my middle name?
Channel Dominicia.
No, that's not my name. That's not my No,
Dominicia.
that is not my name. So you see, I knew it was Abbey Crystal Peters, whatever.
Ah!
I didn't know the correct order, like whatever. I didn't. I wasn't
yes.
your godmother. I didn't christen you. We are here to do the Harmonizing Challenge.
Thank you.
Now, if you've never seen the Harmonizing Challenge, it is where one person starts singing a song that they know the other person knows, and the other person has to harmonize, right? And if the harmony is a good harmony, they get a point. If the harmony is a bad harmony, then they get no point, alright? So we're gonna see who is the Harmonizing Queen. Now my voice is not in good shape, eh?
Same.
You're too vicious. You just sung just fine.
No.
So my voice is not on
Both
point,
of our voices.
but let's go. No, why you macro in my
That's not going.
now you better start to warm up there.
I gotta take this seriously. It's songs that you think that I know, right?
Something I know you know, honey pie.
I hope so.
Let me look for the lyrics, eh?
We're not singing the full song though.
No, we're not singing the full song. We sing the part. I sing, you follow me. I am the leader, and you are the backup. Words cannot.
No, that was my first song. That was my first song.
No, you don't start harmonizing it.
Go.
The words cannot explain how great you are.
This is not going good.
Your Majesty, your King of Kings, we bow down and worship you.
This is not going good.
Words cannot explain how great you are. I can search your world through and I will never find someone like you.
That was Ola. Oh, lover of my soul, your words cannot be untold. Creator, my master, my friend. You see my future. Oh, Jesus, you know my desire. All powerful, all merciful, you are God. Oh, words cannot explain how great you are. Your Majesty, our King of Kings, we bow down and worship you. Okay, enough. Okay, so would you count that as yours and mine? Yes.
We both get a point.
Yes.
Okay, because this I am. Okay, so let me just tell
But
you.
I don't think I blended well on yours.
It wasn't bad.
It was terrible.
But let me tell you something, guys. I think part of the reason why she didn't blend well on my part is because I can't sing a very strong melody. Because I've very rarely ever sung a melody. Like, I've always been the harmonizer.
Me too. I'm
So,
always the harmonizer.
for example, I always sang with my sister. So, my sister cannot harmonize to save her life. And so, she always sings the melody.
Yeah, she
but I'm
does,
not
it's
strong
true.
in the melody. So, I automatically hear a harmony in my head. And so for me to keep the melody is hard for me. So I should go to my second song, right?
No.
It's my turn?
It's your turn, it's your turn,
Yeah.
right. Child, Lord.
Did you see the song?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Just don't kill me.
Okay. I'll give you an easy one now. God can. He can move mountains. Lead us around them. Stop the rain from falling. Stop the thunder from rolling. He can do what no other can. I'll give you another opportunity. God can. Oh, God can. He can move mountains. Lead us around them. Stop the rain from falling. Stop the thunder from rolling. He can do what no other can.
I think because you do a different note to what we normally sing.
Yes. Okay. So that's another thing, guys.
Trinidad.
So I found that a lot of the songs that are similar, like the choruses in church that we sing in St. Lucia, we sing it differently to Trinidad. So yeah. So I think I'm taking it off because of that. Okay, but it will pass. Yeah, it's good. It's good.
She is 25, spent over half of her life, so afraid to speak her mind. It's such a shame. Oh, what a brilliant mind she has. And now that she's been introduced to confidence, she doesn't see that she is bordering on arrogance. When will she learn to come back to the middle? Hey! Oh, India, Arie. Oh Lord, please.
Lord, help me keep the melody. Bless the Lord. It's why. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is within me. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is within me. I will bless your name. 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 I messed it up. That end was for it. I was struggling to do it. Okay, your turn.
Okay. Woo, okay. 2, 3. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Whenever you need me,
I don't know the lyrics.
I'll go. Okay, well,
I don't know the chorus.
and I'll be there in a hurry.
Yeah.
I don't care who's left you before. I'll be here, and there's no need to worry no more. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. Whatever.
So whatever
you want me to do, I'll do. 'Cause I'm so in love with you. That was me, yeah? Can you please take my heart? 'Cause it's already yours. Oh,
life for all my days.
Oh yeah, always. Okay, so we'll scrap that one because that was
And
my
I had
fault.
that one in my list.
But
Yes.
that's my fault. So how can you not know that song?
I know the chorus, but I was going to sing Bullock.
Okay, so I am scrapping that one. Now that's dangerous what I couldn't do there because you do the song better than me.
What song?
Everything I need.
Actually, no sing it. Okay.
Lord, I found in you.
Okay, you it is.
Everything I need. Lord, I found in you. And you are my dwelling place. You are where I long to be. And the day without your presence, Lord, is like a lifetime to me. I was looking for love, and I found it in you. I was looking for joy, I found it in you.
That was joy.
I was looking for joy, I found it in you.
Peace.
I was looking for peace, I found it in you. I was looking for love, I found it in you. I was looking for hope, I found it in you. I was looking for joy, found it in you. I was looking for peace, found it in you.
Yo pale, 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 Rio pale, 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 pale. Oh na 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 na.
Second again.
How can I say what I want to say? How can I say what I want to say? I wanna say what I want to say. I really wanna say it. People don't know you, but they gon' judge you.
They talking
About you, must be something about you. Smile in your face and laugh in your
body and
making up things and far from the facts. So why you talking and talking and talking about me? Talking about me. I'll be pressing and pressing and doing my thing. I'm telling you, please don't judge me. God will put you to watch me. He don't like ugly, so tell them keep their eyes off me. Off of me. Off of me. Off of me. Keep on talking. Yo ka pale, 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 pale.
So this is our final song. And
What are the points?
what are the points? I will let y'all judge what the points are. Y'all say what the points are. Say how many points you'd give Brianna and how many points you'll give me. Please let me know down in the comment section, eh? In this time of sweet.
No! That is my last song! And I want to sing it! Shut up!
Okay, well, you sing it. I prefer to harmonize it than to
Yes,
sing the melody
I agree.
anyway. I would sound like a hot mess.
In a time of sweet consecration, I'm pouring out my heart to you. Oh, take out everything that is not of you. We sing prayer. Don't want my prayer to be refused. Where you let me go. Please don't let me go. Oh, Father, Father,
Lord, you are my Father. My Father, Lord.
Let your glory fill this place. Saturate our hearts with your embrace. We are hungry, Lord, for you. We are thirsty, Lord, for you. Holy Spirit, rain down. Oh Lord, rain down. Holy Spirit, rain down. Oh Lord, rain down. There's my life, take my life. Use me, Lord. Holiness, I choose more of you, more of you. Take my life, use me, Lord.
Yeah. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share the video with a friend.
And subscribe.
Of course, yes, you better subscribe. Row, row, row your boat.
I say now row, row, row your boat.
Row. Let me start. Let me go a little higher. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Gently, merrily, merrily, life is but a dream.
I say now row,
Gently down the stream.
row your boat. I say now row, row your boat. I say now row, 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 row.